The stainless steel roller conveyor is used for transporting mooncakes. As the saying goes, a worker must sharpen his tool if he wants to do his work well. By alleviating the production fatigue of assembly line personnel during rush periods, productivity is greatly enhanced. With a substantial increase in mooncake demand during the Mid-Autumn Moon Festival, and in an area where labor shortages are prevalent, the need of production capacity becomes crucial, and it's where the assistance of a conveyor becomes essential. During its application in the food industry, the entire conveyor is made of stainless steel. The additional lifting chain mechanism during the rollers enables the trays containing mooncakes to circulate, reducing the need for personnel movement.